With the continuously growing demand for metal fabrication services, manufacturers all over the world look for new innovative technology and production solutions that will let them take on a wide range of projects and allow for a reliable and flexible manufacturing process while reducing production costs and lead times. Weil Technology is a global leader in roll forming and welding equipment and a trusted partner for manufacturing companies all over the world.
Hi, I'm Dan Robinson. Welcome to our Path to Success series, where we visit our customers' facilities and take a look at how Weil Technology helps them achieve their goals and meet their production requirements. In today's episode, we're visiting York Metal Products at their headquarters in Ontario, Canada. For the past 8 years, we've been partnering with York to provide them best-in-class manufacturing solutions to meet their applications. Established in the 1940s as York Metal Spinning, the company quickly built a great reputation and a strong customer base. But just like any business, they face their challenges, ups and downs on their path to success. Due to the economic downturn in 2008, a number of their customers went out of business, leaving York's management at a crossroads and feeling that they needed a change. That change came in the form of new leadership that took the company in a new direction, fabricating precision diameter tubes, cylinders, and assemblies. With their new plan in place, York reached out to Weil to provide them with roll forming and welding equipment that would give them flexible, high-volume production.
My team came in around 2011, and really the idea was that there was a lot of old-style round tubing manufacturing, good potential customers, but quality and productivity was very poor. We looked at the opportunities in those markets and decided that we wanted to find something that was repeatable and that complemented the existing business that was here already. The Weil Technology was right in our wheelhouse to complement what York Metal Spinning, the company we bought, already did.
How does Weil Technology equipment help York Metal face the constant job changeovers of a contract manufacturer?
Low volume manufacturing often requires multiple repeated setups with different variances in material. How repeatable you get those setups is the key to low volume manufacturing and how long it takes, because that has an impact on the piece price. Therefore, we are far less concerned about low volumes than we would have been in the old manual style multiple setup environment.
You chose to configure your FlexMasters with both laser and TIG welding sources. What benefits has that given York?
The greatest ability is a quality weld on aluminum. We had a specific contract prior to Weil where we were supplying some aluminum parts with heavy metal spinning requirements. Those welds were done manually, and the quality was poor. End product did not look particularly desirable to the customer. The Weil Technology, putting the TIG on there, allowed us to make a very round part with a repeatable weld where the spin can go across it without a lot of ripping. We were able to spin deeper. There was a much smaller heat affected zone, and our customer was far happier with the product we got after we started to TIG weld with the Weil equipment.
What advantages did you see when you upgraded your original CO2 laser to a solid state laser?
We find it to be a formable weld when you're finished with it, but also the ability to configure the FlexMasters the way we wanted to be able to do it. So in our case, we configure it with one multi-roller serving 2 FlexMasters. We're able to move the beam back and forth efficiently and maximize the uptime of the actual welding stage as the multi-roller outperforms a single FlexMaster. So in our case, we got a faster weld, we used a smaller footprint, we got a more formable weld, and easier to set up. So for us, it was a huge win.
When you bought your first Weil machine, you were advancing the company into laser welding. How has that investment paid off in terms of weld quality?
Both the laser and the TIG, in fact, have allowed us to expand into formable areas we were never able to do before. The size of our previous heat-affected zones were huge, the welds were lumpy, and as a result, when you had to make a deep V-groove or the equivalent in metal spinning, you would get constant cracking.
Can you tell me about your inventory turns?
York needs to do it 120 times a year. We serve multiple customers, we serve multiple industries. So part of the challenge for a small contract manufacturer is to be able to constantly increase your turns. You do that through reduced setup time and improved reliability. There's no other way. And frankly, if we had to carry the inventory to do something as low as 20 to 30 turns, we just wouldn't be able to survive.
How has service and support been from Weil North America?
outstanding, to be honest with you. We are in constant communication with the service techs. I now think it's best in class.
Few contract manufacturers can match York's level of quality. What has the consistent dimensional accuracy and weld quality done for your business?
My own opinion is that you can't survive as a small manufacturer unless you invest in technology, and quality isn't something you can price into your product. Quality is a given. It comes with the order and it's assumed by the customer. So to achieve that competitively, you have to invest in the very best technology available, and York's strategy has been to continue to do that at all times.
As you can see, York Metal Products uses our roll forming and welding equipment to achieve the highest quality of their product and to meet their production requirements.
Setting up our customers for future success is our priority. Over the years, we have had lots of success stories, like the one you have just seen. These stories not only apply to diesel particulate filters or other exhaust system components, but they also apply to manufacturing of cooler modules, heat exchangers, steering columns, and many more. We would like to contribute to your success and make you a part of our story.